Hey everyone, welcome back. If you are watching this, it means you are ready to bring Photoshop straight onto your iPad. And that's exactly what we are going to do in this video. I will walk you through downloading, installing, signing in, and setting up Photoshop so you are ready to create. No confusions, no wasted time. By the end of this video, you will have Photoshop on your iPad, synced with your Adobe account, ready for your first project. If even this is your first time using Adobe apps, don't worry, I will make it super easy. Step 1. Open up the App Store on your iPad. In the search bar, type Photoshop. You will see Adobe Photoshop options. Tap Get, then Install. Depending on your settings, it may ask for Face ID, Touch ID or your Apple ID password. Let it download. It's not a huge file, so it should take only a minute or two. Once installed, open the app. You will land on the sign in screen. If you already have an Adobe ID, great, just sign in. If not, tap Create Account. You can sign up with your email, Apple ID or Google ID. Keep in mind, Photoshop on iPad works with a subscription. If you already have a Creative Cloud plan with Photoshop, it is included. If not, you can start free trial right here. Now that you are signed in, a few quick things to set up before you dive in. Cloud documents. Photoshop on iPad automatically saves to Adobe Cloud. That means your files are accessible on desktop, laptop or another iPad. No extra steps needed. Apple Pencil. If you have one, it should connect right away. If you want to adjust pressure sensitivity or gestures, tap the gear icon on the top right, Input Settings. Interface theme. Prefer dark or light mode? Change it under App Settings, Interface. Document presets. Tap Create New and you will see presets for print, web, mobile and more. Pick the one you use most often so it is ready every time you start a new project. That's it. Photoshop is officially installed and ready to go on your iPad. In the next video, we will do a guided tour of the workspace. I will show you what all tools, panels, gestures do so you are never lost. If you found it helpful, give it a like, subscribe to the channel and let's keep building your Photoshop skills, one simple step at a time.